What things are you excited to accomplish now that you're home? One thing that I like to accomplish is to help our branch to be fully engaged, to be fully anxiously engaged sa missionary work, and to continue to help the missionaries na makapag-invite ng mga souls, mga lost sheep.
I said goodbye to my old life, follow my heart more than 1,000 miles. I've lived the joy, I've known the pain, I felt the hand of God out on that frozen plain. I walked today on blistered feet, but now the echo of these canyon walls makes me wanna sing. I've never seen beautiful like a journey's end, when nameless faces become my best friends. I've never seen wonderful like walking on into this mountain fortress that God made of stone. I've never seen troubles rolling underneath the wheels like coming home. I prayed so hard my faith would last, buried my baby boy beneath the prairie grass. We all had nights we lie awake, prayed we would never be the ones who have the chance to say, I've never seen beautiful like a journey's end, when nameless faces become my best friends. I've never seen wonderful like walking on into this mountain fortress that God made.
What is my message para sa mga future missionaries? So, ito rin yung isa sa mga dinala ko before ako pumunta dito sa mission. And it is one of the things na in-advise sa akin. And there are three things na alalahanin natin. So, yung una is love what you do. Pero sa bagay na yun, kinakailangan mo na mahalin yung companion mo. And yung mga tao na tinuturuan mo, yung areas na ma-assign po kayo, and ganoon din yung sarili mo mismo. And yung pangalawa is kinakailangan natin mag-work hard. Pero dito sa mission, nagbago siya para sa akin. Yes, kinakailangan natin mag-work hard, pero kinakailangan din natin mag-work smarter, na kasama palagi yung banal na Espiritu Santo sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. And last is to enjoy the mission. Hindi lang siya puro sacrifices or paghihirap. Yes, demanding ang missionary work, pero wag natin kakalimutan na mag-enjoy. Kasi we are the disciple of Jesus Christ. We are serving Him. So, bakit hindi tayo mag-enjoy? And, before you go on a mission, become a missionary first. Become a missionary long before you go on a mission. Kasi, hindi po kayo mahihirapan kapag while you are preparing, nagiging missionary ka na. You think as missionaries think, you do as missionaries do, you pray as missionaries do, you read the scriptures as missionaries do. And if you will do that, brothers and sisters, hindi po kayo mahihirapan to become a missionary, to be a full-time missionary.
To see the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He hath loosed the fateful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His truth is marching on.
Sir Tanyon, congrats na natapos mo yung mission mo. Good luck din sa pag-uwi mo na kung ano man yung plans mo, lagi mo lang ipag-pray para yung guidance ng Holy Ghost. Mag-guide ka kung ano yung tamang pipiliin. Congrats saka mahal ka namin. Thank you sa na naging bahagi ka ng family namin.
Kung ano nagulat ka sa amin, nag-message kami sa iyo. So, welcome to the new sa tunay na mundo. Wala ka ng kumpanyon, wala ka ng kasama sa araw-araw. So, maninibago ka for 2 months. So, masaya kami. Certain yun na nakarating ka sa aming bayan, sa nakasumbuhan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na ginawa mo sa amin. Ngayon, hindi pa narating yata ang bahay namin ngayon. Malaki na. Wala na kami sa maliit na bahay na nagsisikan tayo, pero mas masaya ang ating samahan. Yung nakita mo sa unang sa picture, sa video na nakikita mo na yun ang mga loyal na nakadikit doon. At ang mga anak namin, yung nanay Denise. So, namiss ka namin. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, lalo na pagbalik mo dito sa Nasugbo. Meron ka na matutulugan at maluwang na ito, marami na. Pwede ka na bumalik. So, good luck to your new life. Good luck to your panibagong yugto ng yung gagawin mo sa iyong buhay, panibagong panibagong ang tawag doon? Kabanata na gagawin mo bilang isang hindi na sister na may mintan. So, una-una sa lahat, we miss you, the Pitita family, at mahal na mahal ka namin. Good luck!
Hi Sister Tanyon, congrats po sa natapos mo yung 18 months sa mission. And thank you kasi nasa ka dito sa Nasugbo branch. And thank you din sa mga memories na nagawa natin dito sa pag-work ko sa inyo ni Sister Batty. And thank you po sa lahat Sister Tanyon. We love you.
Hi! Congrats sa natapos mo yung mission mo. Thank you for choosing to serve kasi hindi mo pinili, hindi ka namin makikilala. And continue mo lang na ipakita yung light na meron din, yung pagmamahal na
marami na gawa po sa inyo is na walumbalik niyo po ang aming pagmasisimbahan. Sabi po ako na dahil po sa inyo, natutunan ko po magkumahiya sa iba. Tutunan ko din po na mag-share ng mga konting gospel sa mga kaibigan ko. Yun lang. God bless po.
Thank you po sa pagturo po sa amin na isip po dito sa bahay ko na kahit na po ako sa masigit.
Sister Tanya, it has been such an honor to serve with you and the Cavite Mission. We are so grateful that you were here with us, and it was just a delight to have you on our mission.
We love you, Sister Tanya. Please know that we're always here, but we know that you will have a wonderful experience going home using all the things you learned here on the mission to bless and help others. We love you.